Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Many people have requested me to make a video on depression and anxiety. A lot of people are dealing with depression nowadays, especially because of coronavirus pandemic. So first I'll explain the symptoms and then how to deal with depression and anxiety. So before moving ahead, do subscribe my channel for amazing videos and press the bell icon for latest videos. The major symptoms of depression and anxiety are pervasive and persistent sadness. Now the question comes, how to differentiate between a normal sadness and sadness of depression? People will overcome normal sadness when something good happen in their life, but in case of pervasive and persistent sadness, people will feel sadness continuously. If any happy moment will come in their life, although a person will feel sadness. Loss of interest in everything like jobs, studies, or anything in life. Having guilt for everything, whether you have done that thing or not, although feel guilt for that. Loss of focus and concentration in each and everything. Sleep disorder, not having proper sound sleep, something is running in subconscious mind all the time while sleeping as well. Changes in hunger, feel less hunger in most of the cases. Thought to harm yourself at this stage, something is continuously hitting in the brain. Cycle of that specific thought is created in the brain. So now I'll discuss how to deal with depression and anxiety. First, we need to understand the root cause of depression. Depression can be treated by two methods, psychological level or physical level. For the best and fastest results, try both at the same time. Doctor will help you to treat at physical level. Medicine will help to release chemical in brain like dopamine and serotonin that will make you happy and block cortisol, that is a stress hormone, so this will reduce the effect of depression and anxiety. At psychological level, only you can help yourself. In some cases, your loved one can help you to overcome depression. Try to figure out that what are the things, problems, thoughts which are continuously going in your life. Try to avoid those thoughts and discuss the problem with your loved ones. I have some questions for everyone who is watching this video. We do service for a vehicle, we repair home. What we do for ourselves? How many times do you do service for yourself? I think most of have no answer for this. So do service for yourself as well. Find a silent place with full of nature. Eat healthy organic food, take some sunlight, play some outdoor games, take break from your daily routine and do what you love. Then you need to realize that anxiety is not a fault, is the first step to move away from the crippling effects in your life. Understand your self-conscious. Your subconscious mind is very open and suggestible. You have a lot more control on it than you may imagine. In fact, you have a complete authority on soothing anxiety and focusing on being calm, confident and happy. Discover a self-concept. The way you talk about your life in your own mind and to others is essential way of creating your own story. The words which you use to describe yourself, your work, your family will create a framework for you. Learn to love yourself and parent yourself. You have everything which you need within yourself. Feeling you are worthy of love and care and providing that yourself is liberalization. The most important relationship you will ever have is the one you have with yourself. Start caring for yourself. The habit of practical self-care is essential when you're dealing with anxiety. Your body responds well when you fulfill its need, and you will soon recognize the word of healthy self-care of it. Body-mind relationship. Your body always knows what it needs, and when you slow down the mind, you can hear the message it's giving you. Listen actively to the signals from your body each day and develop a positive, open relationship between your body and mind so that both may flourish. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.